I don't know about this wind, buddy. It's awful windy.
Picking up now, eh?
Yeah. Well, we were shooting that way earlier. And
yeah. I mean, it hasn't changed in direction. See? Nah. Just do the maiden. Don't do anything else. Okay?
Yeah, don't do anything crazy.
Yeah, like, I mean, once you're up, you know, don't start.
Is your canopy sitting right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, that should be okay.
T33. Okay, Mohammed, you have the load?
I have it. Is it looking okay?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, show me a left, Daniel. Yeah, okay, left is left, right is right. Just watch the wind gusts, eh?
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
Are you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
You're up.
Wow, look at the mama, man.
What'd you put in that? It's like a missile. You didn't need a bungee, you could have tossed that. Don't get too slow in the turns, Daniel. Don't get too slow in the turns. Wow.
Oh shit, that's flaps?
Well, it's kind of up.
You're crabbing? It's really gusty right now.
Yeah,
Okay.
just make sure you. How should you just do the front page?
You're not bad.
You're good.
Watch.